Encountering an unknown network error on Instagram can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that the signal is strong. If your connection seems fine, try restarting the app or your device, as this can often clear temporary glitches. Clearing the app's cache can also help. Go to your device settings, find Instagram, and clear the cache. If the problem persists, consider updating the app to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs. Another option is to log out of your account and then log back in, which can refresh your session. If none of these solutions work, it may be worth checking if Instagram is experiencing widespread issues by visiting websites like Down Detector. Patience is key, as sometimes these errors resolve themselves with time. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.